Hello everyone, and welcome to our new video where today we are going to check out the top 5 best drawing tablets in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to find out the price and more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Wacom Giano Wireless Drawing Tablet. The Wacom Giano is a tablet by Wacom aimed at artists who want a large drawing area to work on with the added bonus of lots of customization options. Both the tablet and pen comes with built-in batteries that you can charge with USB cables provided. It has indicator lights that show you that the tablet is switched on, pen is working, and battery level. The drawing surface has a matte texture with a feel that's similar to Wacom tablets. The pen draws with a good tactile feel and friction. The pen has a nice comfortable non-slip grip and comes with 2 buttons, also it comes with a pen holder which has 4 space nibs provided as a replacement. An important note to remember is that the Wacom drivers demand you to uninstall any other tablet drivers first. The Wacom Giano WH1409 comes with 12 programmable express keys that can be assigned certain commands through the Wacom control panel. I think this is the perfect amount of express keys for most people, and their placing into 3 groups of 4 makes it so you won't be accidentally pressing the wrong express keys. The express keys were easily set up and are a fantastic addition to the Wacom Giano WH1409. Another great feature the Wacom Giano has is the fact that it is wireless compatible. Once the wireless receiver found on the back of the tablet is turned on, the Wacom Giano is able to be unplugged for a good 40 hours. This is great for people that want that extra mobility, and usually isn't a feature you see in tablets in this price range. So, if you are looking for a great tablet with no major flaws that may work for you if you want or need a larger than average drawing area and the large amount of customization, then Wacom Giano is your answer. At number 4, we have the Wacom Bamboo CTH470. Wacom Bamboo CTH470 is battery-free, and it includes Corel Painter Essentials 4.0 compatible with Windows and Macs for creating natural media art and turning photos into paintings. It has an ergonomic pen with 2 programmable switches. Wacom Bamboo's pen includes realistic pressure, which means the harder you press the pen the thicker the line gets, and on controversy it will do the opposite. The entire surface is made of hard matte plastic, save for a small glossy area containing the express keys and the Bamboo logo. Due to its hard matte plastic surface, this tablet makes it easier for you to slide your pen through your drawings. It has an increased precision compared to a mouse and other pen tablets with similar prices. The setup of this tablet includes an interactive tutorial that helps you make the most of your Bamboo. Wacom Bamboo CTH470 includes free downloadable creative software, Photoshop Elements, Autodesk Sketchbook Express and Nik color filters. You will also notice that this tablet is lag-free, which means while you are drawing your lines, you won't notice any delay or something similar to ruin your work. You can set the Bamboo for right or left-handed use with a simple selection in the Pen Tablet Properties application. In its right-handed position, the Bamboo offers 4 large buttons called express keys to the left, divided into pairs by a narrow LED strip that glows orange when receiving input from either the pen or your fingers. These buttons offer excellent, crisp feedback. By default, the express keys are logically set up as right and left click for the top 2, while the bottom ones go back or switch the touch sensitivity on or off. If you're not happy with these presets, they can be programmed to perform any function, emulate any key or even macro commands using the Pen Tablet Properties. So, this tablet will be more than good enough for professional artists and photo editors for its price, so I definitely recommend it. At number 3, we have the Wacom Intuos Pro Drawing Tablet. Wacom Intuos Pro delivers a fluid and responsive feel, decreased footprint and more robust wireless connectivity, plus the paper edition adds the ability to sketch while disconnected. A great feature of Wacom's Intuos tablets is that this tablet is able to connect as input devices to your computer, adding pressure-sensitive drawing and painting as well as serving as a touchpad. However, Wacom redesigned the tablet to occupy less space but retain the same active area, plus it added a power button and dedicated touch-on/off switch, and the new stand is more elegant looking. The Intuos Pro has an active area that can be configured to whatever size you want. The backlit corner indicators are there to tell you what the max size is, but you can go smaller by programming it into the tablet driver menu. There is some space at the edge of the active area that you can expand your drawing area into, but I find that this space is better used to rest your hand on. The exterior casing is harder than the Intuos 5, and now includes 4 lights at the corner of the touch ring to show you which one of your designated functions is active. As with the 4 and 5, you can program these functions as whatever you like. It connects via USB-C or built-in Bluetooth, and you pair it by holding down the center button for 6 seconds or so. A blinking blue light appears on the right side to indicate that it's in pairing mode. The Intuos Pro is compatible with Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, Mac OS 10.8 and Mac OS 10.10, or higher. It works with software like CorelDRAW, Corel Painter, Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Fireworks, Macromedia Flash, Manga Studio, Stratus 3D Max, Autodesk Maya and ZBrush basically supports anything. So, if you are looking for a professional drawing tablet with level of sensitivity at 2048 levels with pressure, stunning exterior and no flaws, then Wacom Intuos Pro is your choice. Moving on, at number 2 we have the Samsung Tab S3. Unlike other drawing tablets, Samsung Tab S3 is compatible with Adobe Draw, Adobe Sketch, Wacom Bamboo Paper, Tayasui Sketches, ArtRage, Autodesk Sketchbook, Medibang Paint, so it basically supports all kinds of drawing apps. What makes this tablet special is that these softwares are all an artist needs to create his projects, so you can draw your arts in anytime, anywhere, since the Samsung Tab S3 screen is your workplace. Galaxy Tab S3 uses AMOLED technology. AMOLED screens are capable of really vibrant colors and intense blacks. From the design perspective, the front and rear glass panels are held together by a metal frame. You'll find 2 speakers on the top and 2 on the bottom, which means that you get stereo sound no matter which way you hold this tablet, though it isn't directed towards you. The power and volume buttons are on the right, along with a tray that can hold 1 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card. On the bottom, you'll find a USB Type-C port and a 3.5mm audio socket, both awkwardly off-center in an attempt to make the bottom look symmetrical. The Galaxy Tab S3 is a premium tablet. It uses a Qualcomm Snapdragon 820 SoC and there's 4GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, 6000 mAh battery. The stylus is one of the best things the Tab S3 went through, it good enough that it feels like a natural extension of the tablet, rather than some grafted-on poking device. You can use the S Pen just for navigating around the operating system and tapping through apps, which is nicer than it sounds, especially when you have the tablet propped up in Samsung's keyboard case. Using this stylus for drawing is one of the best feelings because it is lag-free and there is no delay in line drawings and it is very precise. So, if you are looking for a multifunctional tablet that not only supports drawing utilities but you can also use it for other purposes, then Samsung Tab S3 is your answer. To finish up our list, we have the 12.9-inch iPad Pro. The iPad Pro 12.9-inch is the tablet equivalent of a gaming laptop. It's incredibly powerful, undeniably fast, and a visual treat every time you turn on the noticeably improved screen. So, as we mentioned earlier on the Samsung Tab S3, the iPad Pro has also the advantage of taking your work anytime, anywhere, because the ability to draw on the screen, in my opinion, is the main selling point. A great performance is that iPad Pro has a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Animation effects are much smoother. Things like scrolling, swiping, panning and zooming are now smoother, relatively speaking. The iPad Pro's resolution makes everything look sharp, whether watching movies, writing reports, or sketching with the Apple Pencil. If you are wondering why we recommend you the 12.9-inch display, well, most of the sketch drawers and artists feel more comfortable drawing in a big screen, because you can notice more details easier. Apple says that the latency delay of the Pencil is down to 20 milliseconds. The sensitivity pressure feels like you are drawing in a paper, so you will have an excellent experience. You won't find no parallax error and no slow diagonal line jitter issues. Artists can get the most out of the iPad Pro, as it is possible to create a fully finished artwork on the iPad Pro. For designers, creative directors, animators, 3D artists and the like, the iPad Pro is for when you start and after you've finished. It's a digital sketchbook combined with a way to show off prototypes or finished products. iPad Pro 12.9 has basically everything you need to take your work to another level. You can choose it in 3 different colors: silver, space gray and gold. Depending on your type of work, you can also choose between GB. The iPad Pro goes in 32GB, 128GB and 256GB. It's enough space so you can store all your work there and you won't have to transfer between computers and other personal hard drives. So, if you are looking forward to creating art without any concessions, we highly recommend you the iPad Pro considering its design, performance and accuracy. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. If this video helped you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future, and if you have any questions about them, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.